happy Saturday, aka our Sabbath day. We are about to make some breakfast. They're really hungry. We just finished taking pictures.
Starving.
Taylor's being an actress right now, rubbing her stomach. We just finished taking Christmas pictures. Does Cam have on socks? Oh, he have on his shoes. Crew got his little outfit on. We keep the tree on because survive. Come on, Taylor. Time for you to go to work. Taylor and I work at a restaurant.
They call it Miss Tillie's shop. Hi, guys. Hi.
No, it's my shop. Y'all work for me.
No, we do not. You're not.
I'm the owner.
No, you're not.
Taylor, come on.
Guys, we got a nightgown on. And mommy got a little pocket on her nightgown.
Y'all help me. I have to wash my hands and then
Me
we'll
too.
start. Did you already wash your hands? No? Go wash your hands.
We got some more.
Where's my phone? Y'all, I ordered Instacart. This is what we got. And they got a nerve to have that up there. Like, don't nobody want this at all. Like, you could have kept that. No. So I asked for my money back on that.
You
But yeah.
refunded it?
No, they talking about some somebody will be in touch. Alright. Gotta go wash my hands real quick. Alright, I put my hair up. Now I'm about to wash my hands.
Hi, guys.
You wash your hands?
Yeah,
Okay. Go ahead.
I can't read it.
Oh, wait.
I want to get my clothes wet. It's a jack, guys. See, and right under it, like mommy, and like clean. But mine don't have no bike clean.
Okay. Go ahead. Come on.
Alright,
Cecilia?
yeah, Miss Cecilia's
They
kind
don't
of.
know who Cecilia is.
Miss Cecilia's really mean. She's 92. She wanted to cut every day. And she always cuts every day. So now they cleans and everything. She'll be so mad if she sees this house, right? Right?
Yeah.
She's so mad if she sees my house. Right?
Yes. We'll have to tell them about Cecilia another day.
Yeah.
Okay,
When she
mommy's
comes.
gonna cut the
Cake.
turkey and then we'll get that
Can I do like
started.
a
We'll be
turkey?
right back. Say we'll be right back.
It'll be right back.
The muffin pan.
Oh, no, I forgot.
Okay, we're making these muffins.
Mine,
So
should I
we
put it
need,
in?
no, actually hold it. So we need to first heat the oven on 350. Open that box. Put the spoon inside the bowl. Open the box.
Okay. I pour all of it.
So the person who works here is picking off the plate
All right.
of the customers.
We're letting them try our Christmas tree. We had a wait, Cam. The life we live. I'm telling you. This dude always doing something. He got him, babe. Just try it. How's it taste? How's it taste? Is it good, buddy?
Thumbs up.
Is it good?
So good.
He trying to find his thumb.
Thumbs up.
Camden. This boy's so sleepy. Crew like, what about me? No, crew. Alright, I'm about to put the, what is it? Eggs on the stove. Our muffins are in the oven. Okay, this is our food. Cam's is over there. They're so hungry. All right, y'all may be seated.
Yeah, be seated.
Calm down, man. I know I might went off too, dude.
Did you say your grace, Cam? Say your grace, okay?
Oh, that's my food.
Say your grace, okay?
That's my food.
Say, Lord God, thank you for our food. Amen.
That's my food.
Alright, y'all, we're about to head out. We're gonna run to the mall really quick and we gotta go get some dog food for crew. So I gotta go run upstairs and get the kids' masks real quick and then we're gonna leave. So CJ already put the kids in the car. We just took the best nap of our whole entire lives. So after we ate, we just rested on the couch and took a wonderful nap. Now we're gonna head out. You're fine.
You don't get both.
We just got to the mall. Taylor got a new ring because, let me see. Let them see. She lost hers like a weekend or two ago. Is it loose on that finger? If so, you need to put on another one. Is that tighter?
Hold on.
Better.
Better? Okay, let's make sure it's tight. Good job. All right.
It's tight, Mom.
Cam.
Cam, look.
Cam. Say hi, guys. Look at him with his little mask, y'all. We just left the mall. It was actually closing, so that was better for us because
In and out.
in and out. Y'all, I really don't feel like shopping this year. I really can't. Don't need to shop for nobody because, like I said, we're trying to pay off our largest, well, all of our student loans now.
Dude.
So
long debts.
yes, Taylor, student loan debt. We're paying it all off. It's a very hefty number. Yeah.
What do you do?
Talk to the guys. Talk to the guys.
Say what's up. Say what's up. Ooh, oh, you mad, huh? You big mad.
Cam. Say hey guys.
Ow.
Oh, you just hit that dome. You just hit that dome. Okay, I'll turn it off.
Cheers. Say cheers for family.
Cheers for family. Drink. Oh.
This Tabasco sauce is lighting me up, man.
Just got that on camera. What you mean? Elaborate.
Tabasco sauce. This is hot
Oh, it's hot. Uh-oh. I thought you meant it was lighting your stomach up.
Nah, that's lighting me up. Like,
Do you like that?
not that high. I'll probably put you.
Yeah, you must say no. She used to that Texas Pete, now that Tabasco. Cam, have a seat.